spray.
Yeah. So I usually put it on my hair.
Okay.
You don't need to saturate the hair with this. You need to make it evenly, have even contact with the hair.
Okay.
So I'm starting at the bottom, and I'm spraying it up, and I'm getting in between the hair, and then I'm going to go over the outside. Once you touch it, you can feel how much I put on your hair. It's really not a lot, right? It's not soaking wet.
Right.
So, you know, just get it on nice and neat, that's all.
Okay.
Now we're going to blow dry that in. So what this is doing is it's spreading the product and helping push it into the cortex.
Okay.
It's not a fancy blow dry, it's just to blow dry and spread the product. When I'm done with this blow dry, I'm going to have you touch your hair. Your hair's going to feel relatively smooth, but you're going to feel something on it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right? It's smooth,
Did he go through?
but you actually feel that there's a product on your hair.
Absolutely.
That's the amino acid complex, and the keratin protein is actually
Oh, yeah, where's the second one?
working on your hair right now.
Okay.
Something real important, you cannot over-proteinize the hair with the treatment.
Okay. Great.
All of the
Not going
proteins
to make
have
it hard and
been,
break dry. Correct. Okay.
all of the proteins are hydrolyzed, so they will not build up on the hair. You can't overdo it.
Okay.
Good?
Good. Yeah, that's awesome.
All right.
Because I know some keratin products can be that way.
Sure enough. We were just using one
You too.
in the back.
So.
Take the vial, you want to shake it up. In the wintertime, sometimes when they get cool, it separates a little bit. No
Okay.
problem, just warm it up.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's just there's an exothermic heater that's in here
Okay.
that'll separate out the product when it gets cold. It'll look smoky,
Okay.
a little white, like almost like a snow globe.
I got you.
Okay.
Okay.
So you just warm it up. It goes right back to normal.
Okay.
No problem. So we're going to shake that up a little bit. We're going to go back to the sink and we're actually going to shampoo out your hair.
Okay.
This step after the booster, we have to shampoo that out
Okay.
before we put the hair repairing vial on.
Okay.
Okay? Let's go. I'm going to use the Integrity Shampoo to shampoo it out.
Okay.
You can pet it. I'm gonna let it.
Now you note that shampoo is sodium chloride free, sulfate free, and paraben free. It's also why it doesn't lather a whole lot. And
Yeah.
you feel that it's a little thicker.
Yes, I like it. Just got to remind everybody to wet it because they're so used to pumping a handful of shampoo.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Right. It's a little thicker.
typical hairdressers are.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Overused.
Absolutely.
What? Tara's being a guinea pig? What?
I can't believe it. Too bad he doesn't want to do a highlight. I could use one of those.
What was it? I was just
Got ombre going on.
If I was here on Wednesday, that'd be
not as bad as that one
the
time.
event of the day. But it's Tuesday, so
All right.
you know we're just sticking with the treatment for now.
At least I know what I'm actually supposed to use this stuff for, right?
Mm-hmm. So this is designed as an in-salon treatment and added service.
Okay.
So we'll discuss how you can market it to your clients too.
Okay.
Wring out and dry out the excess moisture.
I love the smell of that shampoo and conditioner. It just smells so good. It's like perfect for summer too. It's like what a great refreshing.
Very fresh fragrance. Not too perfumey, not
Yes,
too
I like
sweet.
that.
Just right.
Yeah.
So now, sometimes a little difficult to do this portion at the basin. Plus,
Okay.
I like to create a little prestige in the treatments in my salon.
Okay.
So I tend to move my clients to a regular chair. So we'll
Okay,
just sit
just
at
come
the
right
end
here.
chair.
Okay.
So you can also watch me too.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about getting all the tangles out, right? Because we're going to get this vial on the hair.
Okay.
So again, I'm going to just make sure that it's shaken up.
Okay.
I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it in a towel. It's a glass vial that's been laser etched, so it'll break real easy.
Okay.
Wrap it in a towel, hold it upright. Boom, you hear it crack? And be careful when you open up the towel.
Okay.
Take
Pieces
that
there.
and throw it away.
Okay. And that's nice at the bottom is you can set it flat, yes.
So we're going to do this. I don't want you to get soaking wet. I'm going to take your hair up to the top. Where's the most damage in the hair? At the scalp or at the ends?
The crown, probably like right through here. The usual.
Where's the most damage on this piece
Oh,
of hair?
on mine, yes, at the ends,
On
yes.
anybody's
I'm sorry,
hair.
yeah, on anybody's head, at the ends, yeah.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
figure that this piece of hair is maybe 24 inches long. It took about 4 years to get between my fingertips.
Yes,
So how many times has it seen
it's not been happy.
shampoo and all that kind of stuff?
Oh, yeah.
So I want to get the ends covered. So for me,
Good. Okay,
my
guys.
application made perfect sense to get it on the ends of the hair and then to actually make that run down to the scalp.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Never really thought about doing that.
And now that I get the ends of the hair all covered and it ran down to the air shaft, now I'll meet it halfway and I'll take the rest of the vial, circulate it over the hair. Any of the product,
I like it. Tips. Learn something new every day in this
you
business.
get it everywhere.
I like it.
Now this is the point where you're working for the tip.
Okay.
So when the client is drooling, you know you did a good scalp massage.
I know. I never get this treatment. I'm very excited.
I'm also making sure I'm circulating the product in the hair. It may foam up if the hair is shorter. You may get a little bit of lather. That's fine. It should.
Okay.
You may feel it warm up. That's the exothermic heater I was talking about.
Okay.
As soon as it mixes with the water in the air, it may get warm to the touch.
Okay.
It depends hair-water ratio to the amount of treatment that's going on there.
Okay.
Now I'm not ratting the hair down, I'm just kind of massaging it back and forth and making sure I'm stretching that product all the way through the ends. See, there's a little bit of foam on my hands now. Remember, I put the most product in the ends of your hair, too.
Right.
Now, you don't have to use heat, you don't have to use a plastic bag. The product process is for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
You're the decider. 4.5 hours if you're running behind on a Saturday.
Okay.
Okay?
I got
It doesn't
you.
matter if you leave them on a little bit longer. So let's say,
gotcha.
let's leave this on for 10 minutes.
Okay. Great.
And we just rinse after that.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Sounds good.
Make sense to you?
Yeah, and then so when we rinse this, then what's next? Do we shampoo and conditioner?
Spray it in. That's it.
That's it. We don't need to do anything else.
Just
So you
rinse.
just rinse the product out, and then just do the milkshake leave-in.
Right.
Okay.
And the reason we always want to follow everything with milkshake spray leave-in or whipped cream or incredible milk, but we generally start at spray leave-in, is because the last thing you rinse the hair off with is 7 pH water. Your body is 4.5 to 5.5. Water is higher on the alkaline chart than your body, so it actually raises the cuticle. Spray leave-in is a 3.5 pH. Okay? So it's a really kind of a funny theory. You see people all the time, cold water rinsing products as opposed to your cuticle. Cold water, if it's 34 degrees Fahrenheit, if it's 98 degrees Fahrenheit, if it's 105 degrees Fahrenheit, it's still 7 pH.
Okay.
It doesn't close the cuticle down that long.
Okay.
So that's a lifestyle.
Okay.
So,
I never have gone with that. I always thought it was kind of weird anyway,
right.
but whatever.
I use it only on a Saturday and I eject my client out of the chair.
Yeah.
And it's funny for everybody in the salon.
Exactly.
But other than that, You don't need to cold water rinse colors
Okay.
unless they're a direct dye. Whenever you get your client back to the chair, before you start to cut and style, or before you start to style, you need to close that cuticle down again. Otherwise, all the chemical service that you did will be affected. Anything that you've done to the hair is going to be affected adversely because the cuticle is still standing up.
Okay.
So use the spray leave-in. Close the cuticle down, and it's now a building block for everything that goes on top of it.
Okay.
And it works great.
Okay.
And,
Good to know.
you know, they love the fragrance of it.
Yes.
You know,
I mean, I
walks out
love,
the
yeah,
door.
they do. I just had a lady the other day tell me, what am I doing? I'm like, she's like, but she just had to have it. I mean, she could have used it. It wasn't that she didn't need it. It was just funny.
In my sales to my clients, I tell them you need this because the water at your house is 7 pH also.
Yeah.
And I just did a whole lot of color work on you, or I just did a whole lot of,
Right.
you know, whatever to you, and you
Right.
want the cuticle of your hair closed.
Sure. Yeah.
You want that chemical service that you just paid so much money to last.
Right.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
All of a sudden they go, hey Tom, you know, with the treatments, what I give in my salon is there's two ways you can make money from your shares. The amount of bucks you can put in the suit, or the amount of services you can sell to a client.
Right.
So we increase the amount of services. So this is an in-salon service. It has a value. So what I generally do is I say, you know, based off of your haircut, which is the lowest common denominator. Everybody needs a haircut, not everybody needs an ombre.
Right.
Take that, maybe cut that price in half, and then charge that for your treatment. And that should be the base, and you can go up.
Obviously, long hair more. And,
Well, I mean, you can, however you want to quote it, but that should be your starting point. In your brain, you say, okay, it takes me 15 minutes to do this treatment. It takes me half an hour to do
and
it.
it costs me this much in
It
product.
costs me this much in product. Here's my starting point. Maybe I have to add $5 to it. Maybe I have to add $2 to it. Maybe I don't have to add any dollars to it. You know your overhead. I don't.
Right.
And I'm going to charge different in my salon than you're going to charge based on my overhead, my demographic. So there's no, oh, this is a $5 treatment. No, it's whatever your market in your salon. In Avalon Salon, we're there. You buy 4 treatments, you get the 5th one free. But I always use the free one to bait them for nice. So you need to do a treatment on your hair today to get your hair ready for my color, to get your hair ready for your perm, to get your hair ready for your relaxer. Have it made with your company logo and treatment club on it. Right? Load it with 4 credits. You buy they buy the treatment club. Let's say for conversations, you charge $25 for the treatment. You're going to get $100 up front from that lady coming up out of the base and going, I love this treatment. Oh my God, I love that treatment club. So now you did a haircut, you know, whatever you charge for the haircut, plus you're going to get an additional $100 today. Doesn't that kind of offset the fees for maybe doing a little upgrade on the salon or something? You got paid in advance,
Right. Yeah. Absolutely.
right? Or to buy the product to be able to do the treatments. Makes sense, right?
Absolutely.
So it's a great way to introduce your clientele to the services.
Okay.
The other thing we do in our salon at this point is we never do a chemical service without doing the treatment first. So we bump the prices, we hang up a really well-written printed sign, something to the effect of, we've now discovered a greater way, in our pursuit for excellence, we've discovered a better way to do our chemical services and make sure the hair is prepped and treated properly before we do the chemical service. So now our prices will increase by X dollars on every chemical service because we will pre-treat the hair. No chemical service will be done without it. Nobody ever denies that, oh, I don't want the treatment.
I want good hair. Yeah.
Well, nobody ever calls Avalon and says, can I get the worst haircut possible? Can you give me the lousiest color you can think of? I want to look like a calico cat.
Right.
Nobody ever calls up for that, do they?
Right.
Right. They call up when they come here because they want good hair.
Right.
And if you're after doing the best job possible and you're telling your clients that you're after doing the best job possible, and to do that, we have to treat your hair first, then color it, then post-treat it to close the cuticle down, and then do your cut and style, they'll accept that because you're a professional.
Okay.
Or you can use nothing if it's kind of normal.
Okay.
All right? So you don't need to shampoo anything out.
Okay.
But if you feel like adding a conditioner or
Okay.
the mask, this is the time.
So we do the mask and then do the leave-in. do the milkshake leave-in.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And the mask is something that they can take home and use once a week on themselves.
Okay.
Just to make sure that this is fresh. The mask is really just moisture.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm doing right now is imagine your hair is like a colander, and you need to make it a pop.
Okay.
So
So
we just
fill in
pour
all the holes.
fill in all the
Gotcha.
holes. So if you put moisture on hair that needs the holes filled in, it doesn't work.
Right.
It just falls off
Right.
and falls out.
Sure.
On the other hand, if you have hair that will accept the moisture and keep the moisture, then it works beautifully. You know, so what this does is it makes the hair ready to accept the moisture.
Okay.
So does that make sense
Yeah,
to you?
absolutely. So that's so when if I need that the hair that has needs extra attention, that mask is,
That
and then we'll
mask.
send them home with one of those.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah.
And it maintains the
you
treatments
did.
that you did in
Oh,
the
that's a
salon.
good idea.
And
That's
that they
good too.
paid X dollars for.
Okay.
For sure, we did this treatment on you. You need to take home the shampoo, conditioner, and you need to leave it.
Right.
If you'd like to, you can take home the luxury mask that you use once a week on your hair.
For people who have like extremely
spruce it up.
damaged and okay.
You go to the beach a lot, you
Yeah.
surf, and then you go out on the boat a lot. Put it in your hair and just leave it in your hair.
Yeah.
Go out on the
That's
boat.
what I told people. Put it in your beach bag. Yeah, put it in your beach bag and take it with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Spray leave-in is awesome for that too.
Pool before you go in the pool, before you go do any of that.
And make sure the hair's protected.
Yeah.
Okay, we're in our 10-minute mark. We're going to throw our glass out.
Okay.
Your hose is really strong.
Huh?
The hose on your sink is a real strong
I
hose.
hate that hose. That's one's like that for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe get it replaced.
And this is probably the most popular
It
sink.
is the most popular sink if it's in the middle. Actually, I like that sink better, but it's on the wall. We're tight on space around here.
So your hair feels pretty good.
Okay.
So I'm not actually going to put the conditioner on your hair.
Okay.
Because I want you to reach up and touch it now.
Ooh, it does feel good.
Your hair normally feel like that when you get done washing it?
Not without conditioner.
Okay, so
Nope.
now I'm going to put the
So
conditioner
no.
on.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put the conditioner on and we'll feel that we brought it to the next level, even
Okay.
beyond that. So it
Okay.
already feels better, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. No, it feels amazing.
So would
It
you
feels
buy the
very
treatment club?
Absolutely. Oh, yes. I would like to. I would like to be a part of the treatment club. Now I'm just gonna find somebody to put it on me every week. Who wants to do my hair?
I was totally wondering.
Who wants to give me a scalp massage and make my hair feel fabulous?
For a while, it was definitely, so being out in the sun.
Yeah, I love that conditioner too. It goes through the hair so nice. Oh my gosh, it's like perfect. It's a perfect consistency.
Now with the mask, you just might want to let it sit on just a little bit longer.
Okay, great.
Up to 3 to 5 minutes. Again, if you're running behind, tell the assistant to leave it on for an hour.
Yep, I like that. Guess what? You're getting your treatment today because I'm running behind.
And you're getting a free treatment. And normally this treatment would cost you.
Yes,
If
the
you
mask.
really like
Yes.
it, we have a treatment club.
Yes, exactly. Treatment club. I like the idea of the card too, and I like that idea a lot.
And
Good
then,
idea.
it's a gift card loaded up with credits for treatments.
Yeah,
So they deduct the amount of money off of the card every time they come in for a treatment.
that's a great
So it
idea.
gets down to zero. When they've taken the last one out, oh, would you like to refill your treatment club card? Sure. You have one more treatment left. Would you like to refill your treatment club now? Bam.
I like it. I like how it's faded. I don't know what part was first.
Okay. Tell me how your hair feels.
It's really good. Oh,
Feels great.
nice.
go
Sometimes
to-
it's usually it's really dry.
Right.
Right here because of all the chemical processing.
This is a 3.5 pH. So what you want to do is you want to get that on the hair and actually just kind of let it sit for a minute and lift that hair up and get it all through the hair. Don't just spray it on the outside,
Okay.
you know.
Make sure you're getting it in.
Yeah,
Make
it's
sure you
light.
get it in
It's
there.
not like
No, it's not heavy and it won't weigh the hair down.
Exactly. I've noticed that, which I love because so many people we have that problem with leave-in.
Sure, it weighs the hair down. This
Yeah.
won't do that.
No.
It's low protein, which actually helps. For lack of a better term, it actually does make your hair a little bit more voluminous because it gives it strength.
Okay.
So once that's done and it's been sitting there for a couple of seconds, you'll see how easy it is to get through the hair because it takes the tangles right out.
Right.
Because the cuticle's closed. When a cuticle is lifted on the hair, it's like taking two brushes and sticking them together.
So that's why it gets so.
Right. And that's why you have a hard time taking the tangles out. But when you lower the pH and close that cuticle down, the hair will just come right apart just like that. I mean, that's, you know, I mean, I'm not working.
Which I need a haircut, yeah. So my hands being like they are, needing about several inches off.
Taking off my face.
You'd be surprised what the end of your hair look like after this treatment. You probably
I
won't
won't
have
even
to
need a
take
haircut.
several inches.
I usually can this too long.
And there you go.
Nice. Oh yeah, I love it. Feels really good. Now that I know what to use it for.
And how to use it.
Yes, exactly.
But at this point, this is when you cut and then style is designed.
It's the milkshake treatment.
The integrity treatment.
Yep, we've got lots of vials over there. We'll do it on you later.
And it's different. It's not a conditioning treatment. It's a reconstructive treatment.
I don't think that's very at all.
She needs it. She needs it.
Make it straight or
Closes the cuticle down.
Puts the hair back in its shape. It doesn't smooth it out. It doesn't straighten it out. It makes the strength of the hair back to the way it's supposed to be. And I'm just doing a simple blow dry on it. So what you're going to notice is actually the hair will dry a little quicker too. Because the porosity is equal now.
Yeah, so it's not holding all that water.
You're not going to get moisture.
Right, where you're like, exactly, yeah.
You get that client to the chair and all of a sudden,
Like sopping.
it's all over the floor.
Yep. That'd be perfect too, because I need color done soon, so it was good to strengthen it up before we try to tear into it, yeah.
So how does it feel?
Feels great. Feels very soft and manageable. Hands go right through it.
How does it normally feel before you had the treatment?
It usually feels like dry right through here, but it doesn't feel that way now.
Great.
Yeah, it's good. Yep, good job.
So you want to do one of those treatments right before you do your color. The same day that you're going to do your color,
Just
right
go ahead
before you
and
do it.
Okay.
Strengthen that hair before you do it.
Okay.
Always do treatments prior to the color.
Okay.
Color is mobile within the hair for 48 hours.
Okay.
These treatments are actually reconstructors and they penetrate into the cortex of the hair.